Pickhook Flight 346, you are cleared for takeoff on runway 16. Affirmative. Wait, something's wrong. What's happening? Oh, wait! The engine failed! The engine failed! The engine's failing! Oh no! I'm gonna stall! I'm gonna stall! Oh, I need to stabilize it! I need to stabilize it! Hummingbird Airport! Power! I have lost all engine power! Mayday! Mayday! Landing gear is not working! Flaps is not deploying! The parachute isn't deploying! Affirmative. This is Hummingbird Airport. Stay calm. Will you be able to make it to Crow Airport? Possibly, but I may have to land in a field. How many souls on board? 5 souls. We will be on standby. Affirmative. Literally everything failed. The engine, the landing gear, and the emergency parachute. Hello, this is Pickhook Flight 346. We're requesting clearance to land at Crow Airport. Landing gear not working and engine failed. Affirmative. Pickhook Flight 346. You have clearance to land. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. It's right there. Oh no. Oh. Stay calm. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Crow Airport. Coming in hot. Affirmative. Be careful. Oh no. Oh no, the engine's caught fire! The engine's caught fire! Crow Airport, the engine's caught fire! Affirmative. Brace for impact! We did it! We did it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I did it! Oh my god! Woohoo! Woo! In one piece!